University of Montana campus dining offers a multitude of different benefits that you're not going to find anywhere else. Today, we asked a few of our current employees, why campus dining?
What campus dining means to me is essentially unity and how great everyone works well together, and how even if you think you're insignificant, you're actually not.
So my favorite thing about working for Rising Rooted is getting to know the people's names, like getting that connection with people and remembering their drinks.
I'm most attracted to, obviously the flexible scheduling and the free meals I get.
The favorite special that I've ever made is the Shrek Latte, which is a big hit with my generation. Didn't go so well with some of the older guests, but that special connection with the young kids and Shrek.
Being part of the campus dining family has been a great experience for me. Working under my manager, Katie Helms, I've developed a personal relationship with her, so I know that I could go to her for letters of recommendation, and also just getting the chance to chat, catch up together.
One of the great pros of working at the market is getting to create a connection with all the people that come in. There's a lot of different people that differ from all these types of ranges, and so when you get to take their coffee order and know their name, you start to remember certain things about them, and then all the time you guys are able to have these conversations, and it adds another sort of personal feel to the market.
The really great thing about working for campus dining is just the amount of people you get to meet one day, and not just from one certain type of person, just like the wide variety of people you get to interact with in one day. It's really enlightening to be able to listen to all these different people's viewpoints and where they come from, and even just how their coffee's made differently.
There is scholarship opportunities too, which is pretty cool. I don't know many other jobs that offer those, other than the campus dining one.
What originally drew me to dining was the flexibility with my schedule and the fact that it was on campus, so I'd be able to, go to work and go directly to class after. And market specifically drew me with the fact that I did not have to wear a uniform.
One thing that's been really nice about this job has been the flexibility of it. If I had been employed off campus, I definitely think it would have been a lot more challenging to do full-time school and working at the same time.
What really drew me to work with campus dining is not only the things that we all know and love, like scheduling flexibility and free food, but also the opportunity for scholarships and advancement in your job.
I guess it's just the social interaction. We're always goofing off, talking about stuff. We like to make a lot of saran wrap balls and throw them at each other. Or shoot them into the trash can.
I absolutely value everything about my coworkers. We have such a great time, and I think that when we're having a great time, the guests are having a great time as well, and you can just see that in their interactions.
Regardless of where you start off working for campus dining, they have all types of positions for anything that you might be looking for. Whether it's working in the food zoo to working in campus dining marketing, you're sure to find a home wherever you are.
My name is Hunter Shell. I work at Rising Rooted, but I currently work for our coffee ops, and I'm a dual major in business management and marketing.
My name is Sabrina Donnelly. I've been working at the market for 2 years, and I'm in women's gender studies.
My name is Kelly Armington. I'm a student manager at the market, and I'm studying psychology.
Hi everybody, my name is Shanna Madison. I am currently a media arts student with a minor in photojournalism, and I work in campus dining marketing.
My name is Stacia Hill, and I am a student supervisor in coffee operations, studying creative writing.
I'm Jasmine. I'm a psychology major, and my position here at the food zoo is pretty much everything.
Hi, my name is Trail Bundy with University of Montana Campus Dining, and I'm here to invite you to come and join the campus dining family.